Hi everyone, Namita here from Homemade Gourmet. Thank you for supporting my earlier videos. Today I'm making mango upkari, a homely mango seasoned dish. The best mangoes are the local fibrous ones and we call them Sumba Ambo. So today I'm going to make mango upkari with very simple ingredients: mangoes, jaggery, green chillies and a fragrant ghee seasoning. I have taken around 2 kgs of organic mangoes, wash them well, peel them and add these mangoes to a big pan. Keep the peel separately, add little water and squeeze out the pulp as I'm doing it here. Now keep the jaggery ready. Don't add too much water, this will give the upkari its real flavor. So this should be the consistency. Add around 3 to 4 slit green chillies, 1 teaspoon of salt and about 120 to 130 grams of jaggery. Move the pan to the stove and bring it to a rolling boil and cook it for around 10 minutes. So give it a stir in between so that there is sufficient water and the curry has to be this thick. Finally, season it with fresh ghee, mustard seeds, urad dal and a few methi seeds, curry leaves and 1 small red chilli. Enjoy it with rice or roti or chill it and serve it as a dessert. Thank you for watching Homemade Gourmet.